Alright guys, good morning. So this is our next topic. What is Metacenter? This term has always been encountered instability, and most of us would ask where or what really is this Metacenter. Most literature say that this is the definition of Metacenter. It is the intersection of the consecutive lines of actions of the force of buoyancy when the vessel is upright and inclined at small angles. Now, intersection means that there are two lines that intersect at a common point. Okay, breaking down the definition, so we see that there are two lines that intersect here. One is the line of action of the force of buoyancy when the vessel is upright, and the other one is the vessel is inclined at small angles. Now, this definition is conditional, wherein the last word actually would dictate the condition to which this definition is true and valid at small angles. Now, beyond small angles, what would happen? It will be explained in the next video. Okay, before we proceed, let's take a look at the vessel, which is on an upright position. The center of buoyancy lies on the geometric center of the submerged part. So this being a block, so let's take the geometric center. So B would most likely lie there. Now here we have the line of action of the force of buoyancy, which is always up. Now here we don't have any intersection because we only have one line, and maybe M would lie here, there, or there. Now what happens when the vessel is inclined at small angles? Okay, so retaining the position of B when the vessel was upright, let's say it's here, and let's try to incline the ship. With the ship inclined at small angles, the tendency of the center of buoyancy is to shift towards the center of the new geometric area, which in this illustration probably would move towards here. Now, for determining the center of the geometric area, there is a lot of topics, a lot of YouTube videos where you could find that, but presuming that B would move towards here, so we have B1. Okay, so the new lines of action of the force of buoyancy would lie there. So let's make a straight line. Okay. So the line of action, the new line of action of force of buoyancy would lie approximately over here. So we have a new line of action, which is this one. Okay. And the intersection would be there, that would be M. Now the small angle that we talked about a while ago is this angle, the angle between the vessel when it was upright and when it was inclined. Again, the definition is bounded by the last term, which is this small angle, because beyond the small angle, what happens is that the geometric area would change. It would move, either going further towards here or sometimes going towards the other side, depending on the shape of the hull. So if the vessel is ship shape, the movement would be different from the block shape, or would also be different if it is a triangular prism. Now going back again to the definition, as defined earlier, again, metacenter is the intersection of the consecutive lines of action of the force of buoyancy when the vessel is upright and inclined at small angles. The first line of action is this one when the vessel was upright, and the second line of action is this one when the vessel is inclined at small angles. Now for other further topics, please do subscribe to our channel, and we'll feed you more. But for now, I do hope that we were able to answer this question: what is Metacenter? So hit the subscribe button for more, and I'll see you. Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice and safe day.